everyone, welcome back to The Oil Gift. I am Linda Green, and today we have a fascinating topic to explore, the doTERRA Blue Lotus Essential Oil. If you're into essential oils and aromatherapy, you are in for a treat. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. So let's get started. Blue Lotus has been revered for centuries for its symbolic and therapeutic significance. In the doTERRA Blue Lotus essential oil, we find a concentrated form of these benefits. The beautiful bluish-purple water lily requires hot, humid weather to grow and is native to Asia. It grows in very muddy waters and the flowers stay closed when it's dark or cloudy, and they only bloom when the sun appears in the morning. The Egyptians felt the flower was the flower of immortality because it reopened after long periods of drought. So the benefits of this beautiful oil is, number one, stress relief. One of the standout features of Blue Lotus is its stress-relieving properties. The aromatic compounds in this oil have been shown to promote relaxation and to ease tension. Number two, emotional support. Many users report that Blue Lotus helps provide emotional support. Its calming effects can be particularly beneficial during times of emotional stress or challenging things like that. And it's really great for meditation too. Sleep support. Do you ever struggle with sleep? I know I do from time to time. Blue Lotus might be the solution. Using this oil before bedtime creates a relaxing, tranquil atmosphere conducive to a restful night's sleep. You can just roll this wonderful oil on the inside of your wrists, the back of your neck, on your shoulders, or even on the bottom of your feet. Number four, a mood enhancement. This unique fragrance in Blue Lotus is thought to have mood-enhancing qualities. Using Blue Lotus can create a positive and an uplifting ambiance. So who doesn't need that, right? Once in a while, we all do. So let's talk about how to incorporate doTERRA Blue Lotus into your daily routine. Some people will diffuse it by adding a few drops of Blue Lotus to your diffuser for a calming and uplifting atmosphere in your home or in your workspace. I usually don't use it in a diffuser because it comes in a roller bottle, but you can, if you want to, you can take the lid off and you can remove this little roller bottle and put a couple of drops in your diffuser. So topical application. For topical use, because it is in the roller bottle, it already has the fractionated coconut oil in it. You can apply it to your pulse points like I was telling you before. Just like this, I just roll it on and then I rub my wrist together and it just really, really helps any tension or whatever. You can also use it in a bath soak. Enhance your bathing experience by adding a few drops of Blue Lotus to your bath water for a relaxing soak. So how I do this is I just take this, again, I roll it in my hand, and then I add about a half a cup of Epsom salts in my hand and just kind of mixed it together, and then I hold my hands under the running water, and it really creates a wonderful, relaxing and calming bath. So Blue Lotus is just a magnificent oil. It's got these great properties. It smells divine. And it's just a wonderful oil to have in your little arsenal. So if you've tried it or if you have any questions, let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share if you think somebody would be interested or know of somebody that likes holistic aromatherapy and benefits of these things. So thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, have a good one. Take care.